Hello guys, we're going to solve this slightly interesting and quite challenging example from NCERT Class 9, Chapter 13 Surface Area and Volume, Exercise 13.9 optional and question 3. Okay, the question tells us that the diameter of the sphere is decreased by 25%. Okay, they have not given us how much is the diameter here. Okay, but it is decreased by 25%. Then what percent does its curved surface area decreases? So how do we solve this? Yeah, as we do not know the diameter, let's say that the diameter is 100 meter. Okay, if the diameter is 100 meter, then the radius is going to be 50. So the curved surface area of the sphere is given by 4 pi r squared. So can we say that at first, okay, the curved surface area was 4 pi 50 squared, which is nothing but, let's keep the value as it is, 4 pi 50 times 50. Okay, let's say this is equation 1. Now, we go to the second condition by okay, the diameter is decreased by 20%. Okay, so when you decrease the diameter by 20%, 25%, that means you're decreasing after decreasing, the diameter is going to be 75%, isn't it? So your new diameter, dn for new, can say it's it is decreased by 20%. That means it is 75% of 100 meter, isn't it? So 75% of 100 meter is nothing but 75 meter. And your new radius is going to be, yeah, how much is half of 75? It's going to be 37.5 meter. I hope you're getting what we are doing here. So first what we did is we just took the diameter is 100 meter, and we know that when the diameter is 100, the radius would be half of that, which is 50 meter. Okay, and in the second statement, what we have done here is when the diameter is decreased by 25%, that means if it is decreased by 25%, it remains 75% of the original. So that's what I have written. So your new diameter is going to be 75% of the 100 meter, that is 75 meter. So your radius is going to be, new radius is going to be half of 75 meter, which is 37.5, correct? So we can write the new curved surface area n for new, okay, as 4 pi r n bracket square. Okay, so here you write 4 pi 37.5 bracket square, which we can write it further as 4 pi 37.5 times 37.5. This will be your question 2, equation 2. Okay, now by what percent does its curved surface area decreases? That means how much is the new curved surface area of the original surface area? For that, can we write this equation as CSA n new, that is curved surface area n, which is new, over CSA times 100. Can we write it like this? Because you're finding how much is the new one of the total. So let's plug in the value of equation 2 here in the numerator. So we solve it here as a 4 pi times 37.5 times 37.5 over, let's plug in the equation 2 value, equation 1 value here, this one, okay? Because this is CSA, curved surface area, at the original value before decreasing. Okay, so here it's a 4 pi times 50 times 50. Okay, so we cancel out this because they're common terms. Now let's divide 37.5 and this 50 by 5, so it's 10, and this gives you 5 7s are 35 and 5 5s are 25. Similarly here, and this is here. And now if you have, what do we have here? 7.5 times 7.5 over 100. Correct? Now, if you do the multiplication of 7.5 times 7.5, let me do it in the left bottom, 7.5 times 7.5. I have done it by myself. You can do it by yourself. This is going to give us 56.25, right? So we write here 56.25 over 100, all right? And we have to write the remaining 100 here because we are finding the percentage, all right? So now as this 100 and this 100 gets cancelled, you're getting the answer in 56.25%. Okay, so this percentage tells us that how much is the new surface area of the old one now. Okay, so old one was 100%. Now the new one is 56.25% we have now. But the question is, they're asking us how much it has reduced by, how much it has decreased by. That means, will you be doing 100 minus 50? So new curved surface area is going to be 100 minus 56.25. You understand why are we taking away 56.25 from 100? Because the original was 100%. And now we decreased diameter by 25%, then your new curved surface area is going to be 56.25. But they're asking us how much it has reduced by. This is existing one. It has reduced by. So if you subtract 56.25 from 100, you're going to get 43.75%. And this should be your answer. Okay. So let me box it. Here. And this is how you solve it. Okay, and this is the easiest method. You go across any website, they have shown some challenging work, literally, such lengthy work, it's difficult so many times to understand. You just follow this. It should be easy for you to solve. All the best. Thank you.